Are you tired of feeling like you're constantly chasing after success, but never quite reaching it? Do you find yourself trapped in a cycle of financial limitations, struggling to make ends meet? Does it seem like no matter how hard you try, you just can't seem to focus and stay on track? I hear you. I understand the frustrations and challenges that come with feeling financially strained and mentally scattered. But I'm here to tell you that your current circumstances do not define your future. You have the power within you to break free from these limitations and transform your life. It all starts with your mindset. Instead of dwelling on what you lack, shift your focus to what you can gain. Rather than letting financial constraints hold you back, use them as fuel to ignite your determination and resourcefulness. Your current situation is just a temporary setback, and it's time to rise above it. Tip 1. Take ownership of your finances. Start by taking ownership of your financial situation. Assess your income, expenses, and spending habits. Create a budget that aligns with your goals and prioritize saving and investing. Seek out opportunities to increase your income, whether through additional work, side hustles, or pursuing new skills. Remember, you have the power to take control of your financial destiny. Tip 2. Master your focus. In a world filled with distractions, mastering your focus is essential for success. Identify the activities, habits, and mindsets that hinder your ability to concentrate. Eliminate or minimize these distractions from your life. Practice deep work techniques, set specific goals, and break them down into manageable tasks. Train your mind to stay laser-focused on what truly matters. Tip 3. Embrace the power of discipline. Discipline is the bridge between your goals and your accomplishments. It requires commitment, sacrifice, and unwavering determination. Create daily rituals and routines that reinforce discipline in your life. Set strict boundaries around your time and energy. Stay committed to your priorities, even when faced with challenges or temptations. Remember, discipline is the key to unlocking your full potential. Tip 4. Seek growth opportunities. Never stop learning and growing. Invest in your personal and professional development. Seek out mentors, books, courses, and workshops that align with your goals and interests. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who uplift and inspire you. Embrace a growth mindset, where every setback is seen as an opportunity for growth and learning. Your dedication to continuous improvement will propel you forward. Tip 5. Take action, now. The most crucial step in transforming your life is to take action. It's not enough to dream or wish for change, you must act upon it. Break free from the chains of doubt and fear. Start small, but start today. Take the first step towards your goals, no matter how small or insignificant it may seem. Every action, no matter how small, brings you closer to the life you desire. Subscribe now to join a community of individuals who refuse to let their current circumstances define their future. Together, we will rise above financial limitations and sharpen our focus to create lives filled with abundance, purpose, and success. Remember, my friends, your current situation does not define your potential. You have the power to break free from the constraints that hold you back. It's time to rewrite your story, reclaim your focus, and build the life you deserve. Subscribe. Focus. Transform.